Jai Srimanarayana. 169th Namam from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Om Madhavaya Namaha. Ho Srimanarayana, the knowledge which reveals the effulgence of yourself is known as Ma. O Srimanarayana, you are the one who gives that knowledge, who gives that Brahma Vidya, who gives that Paravidya to everyone so that they all can realize you as Supreme. O Srimanarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Madhavaya Namaha. Om Madhavaya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimanarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimanarayana. Srimanarayana, Narayana, Narayana. Srimanarayana, Narayana, Narayana. From Valmiki Ramayanam, Vasishtha Maharshi, Brahmarshi, the one who has Brahmajnanam, now speaking out in front of everyone in that Ayodhya Nagaram. Vasishtha Maharshi getting so much mad at Kaikamma, saying that, Ho Kaikamma, Ati Pravrutte, Durmedhe, Kaikeyi, Kulapamsani. How dare you are behaving like this? How disgusting you are behaving like this. Ho Kaikamma, why are you destroying this entire Ikshvaku Vamsam? Don't you have any kind of good character at all? Ho Kaikamma, why are you doing like this? How many people are looking at you so disgusting? What is happening to your buddhi? Why is your buddhi so dirty? Like this, Vasishtha Maharshi getting mad at Kaikamma and also saying that, Ho Kaikamma, there is no need of Sitamma to go to forest at all. Sitamma is not going to Vanavasam. Ho Kaikamma, listen to me. Sitamma will be here until Rama comes back. Sitamma is the one who is going to rule this kingdom. Sita, Prakrutam, Asanam. Sitamma is the one who will be the king of this entire kingdom. Ho Kaikamma, listen to me. Atmeya miti Ramasya Palayishyati Medinim. Sitamma is the life of Rama. Sitamma is the soul of Rama. Until Rama comes back, on behalf of Rama, Sitamma is the one who is going to be ruling this entire world, entire earth. Ho Kaikamma, if you still behave so stubborn, if Sita and Rama is going to go to forest, listen to me, we all will be following them. There will be nobody in this Ayodhya. Entire Ayodhya will be following Sita Rama. You will have to rule this kingdom where nobody is there, only some trees and some of small animals. Such kind of kingdom you will have to rule. It will be under your custody. O Kaikamma, I am challenging you. If Bharata is the son of Dasaratha, he would never ever accept this kingdom. I am challenging you. O Kaikamma, if Bharata is the son of Dasaratha Maharaju, for doing all these bad things, he would never ever consider regard you as his mother. I am challenging you. How much ever you do, O Kaikamma, how many trials you do, how much ever you try, even if you jump from this earth to the sky, Bharata is not at all going to accept this kingdom. Bharata would never accept this kingdom because he knows the rules, he knows the protocols. The very, very important protocol in this kingdom, in this dynasty is while the eldest son is alive, no way the youngest son can take this kingdom. He knows that. He would definitely respect those kind of acharas and traditions and protocols. O Kaikamma, you may be thinking that you are doing all this for the sake of, for the happiness of, for the joy of your son Bharata. You may be thinking that you are doing all this because you have so much love on Bharata. No, not at all. This is not the love. This, in other way, it is all going to hurt him so much. O Kaikamma, who is there on this earth would not like, would not love, would not follow Rama? Come on, show me. Loko hi lokehi sanavidyeta yo naramam anuvrataha. There is no one who would not like Rama on this earth. Not only humans, but also all the trees, all the animals, sentient and insentient, every being would definitely love Rama. Such is the Rama's character, such is the Rama's glory, such is the Rama's attribute. O Kaikamma, come on, give all the ornaments and all the silk cloths, beautiful cloths to Sitamma. Sitamma is not at all going to wear those Naravastras at all. Like this, Brahmarshi, Maharshi, Vasishtha Maharshi is getting mad, shouting at Kaikamma in front of everyone to protect Sitamma. What is going to happen next? We will learn tomorrow with meditation upon Sita Ramachandra Swami. Let us sing the glory of Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 18th sloka. Vedyo Vaidyaha Sada Yogi Viraha Madhavo Madhuhu Atindriyo Mahamayo Mahotsaho Mahabalaha. Om Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Om Madhavaya Namaha. Om Madhavaya Namaha. Om Madhavaya Namaha.